Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Class, grace, beauty and fashion, synonymous with the 2018 Diamond Mile Race Days in-field experience. Elegance was on display at the media launch held yesterday, where fashionable attendees got a taste of the Diamond Mile in-field experience, which pairs the excitement of the races with the best in food, beverage, fashion and entertainment. The event also served to thank members of the media and sponsors who were presented with Diamond Mile plaques for their continued support. Head of Marketing and Corporate Affairs at Tradewind Citrus Limited, Marcia Lumley, expressed her excitement to be a sponsor of this year's staging.
We're absolutely excited. Year after year we've watched, and Diamond Mile is that prestigious event that we've always looked at and said, we should actually be there. We're really excited to be on board and we cannot wait for the day. This today here, if it is anything like this, trust me, we're in for a treat.
Manager of Corporate Affairs and Communication at Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, Jeanette Lewis, is pleased with the inclusion of Diamond Mile style ambassadors Terry Carell and Garfine Grandison.
We're most excited about Garfine and Terry joining us as the Style the Mile ambassadors this year and helping to bring everybody along their journey to the Diamond Mile. So I'm looking forward to following them on social media, to seeing all the excitement that I normally miss at the Diamond Mile because I'm working.
The fourth staging of the Diamond Mile will reward stylish attendees with cash prizes for Best Dressed Male and Female on the infield and Best Dressed Male and Female in the stands. At the opulent affair, the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, along with their valued sponsors, will host guests in the comfort with a custom designed and structured marquee erected on the infield at Caymanas Park within feet of the finish line. The most prestigious event in Jamaica's horse racing calendar, the Diamond Mile, is set for this December. Alberton Estate Jamaica Rum's new compilation album Heart of Jamaica intends to explore the heart of reggae by merging signature Jamaican beats with reggae artists. Speaking at the album launch yesterday, recording artist Dwayne Marshall, who is featured on the album, shared details about his track dubbed You Are My Father.
You see, whenever I think of my father, I think of my earthly father, I always think of my heavenly father too. And it gives me more conviction to sing with true, pure passion and love, I mean, I don't need any more conviction because my father is now gone to a better place. So I just wanted to dedicate something to keep his legacy alive, So, but you are onto something though, it have a bit of my heavenly father in there too. Father.
Also in attendance was musical duo Voicemail, who gave an update on their musical moves.
There's a lot of things upcoming for this month, November and December. We'll be doing a lot of local shows. We leave for the States in January and then fly to Central America like Colombia and stuff come February. So starting the middle to the end of this month, November, going to be super busy.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.